There he is. Let's go.
Little roar. Puh.
What this place lacks in water and shade, it makes up for with searing heat and blinding sunshine. Home sweet home, Pumbaa.
Would you two stop fighting each other and look? The tear.
It's huge.
Shall we run for our lives?
Oh, yes.
If you're with us, prove it.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out. You'll break down like what? It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, and it ain't gonna stop. 정신을 놓고 던져밟고 팔을 새겨봐. You'll be begging and crying, and all of you dying. Never miss my shot. How's it been here?
So what's the plan, Sandy?
Run faster!
I could have thought of that. Hey, wait a minute! I was right, wasn't I?
Later!
He is too big for you, isn't he?
Not now, SpongeBob!
I want to hear you say it.
Can we talk about this another time?
Say it.
SpongeBob!
Say it or I'll trip you.
No! Get away!
Say it.
No!
Say it.
Okay! You were right and I was wrong! I was wrong! Are you happy now?
I knew it.
I don't think you're ready for the takedown. A demon with no feelings don't deserve to live. It's so obvious.
Get over!
Ah, cool.
Hang on, Timon!
Sandy?
Yeah?
What do we do now?
That's it? That wasn't so bad. You can't knock old Timon down that easy. Yeah, bring it on!
Dad, what's wrong now?
Look! A waterfall! Waterfall!
Oh, that's bad.
Pumbaa? Question. Is it possible to fall off the edge of the earth?
Technically, no. The Earth is round like a sphere, Timon, so it doesn't actually have an edge.
Stop! Get off! All right, get off! Get off! Come on!
I hate this stupid adventure!
I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we could share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
I feel heroic and handsome. A little wet, but I still look good. I look good.
The passengers.
Are you okay?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for coming to save me, Max.
Dinkelman? Oh.
Wait. Hold on a second. 3? What's with the 3? No. The 3 has got to go.
Timon, you can't use 2. There's already been a 2.
Ooh, you got a point there, big fella. It's not a sequel anyway.
Yeah, more like a behind-the-sequel.
A what, a whoquel?
Oh, you know, an in-between-quill.
That's it. Pumbaa, my muse. It's genius. There. Now this title's a knockout.
No! Not literally.